All Americans are entitled to the even-handed application of the law, to due process of the law, and to the presumption of innocence. I personally approve the decision to seek a search warrant in this matter.
Now at 7, the United States Attorney General Merrick Garland not mincing words when it comes to the search warrant issued at former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago home.
Garland standing by his decision. He said the FBI was doing its job and no one is above the law, including a former president.
We are live on air and always streaming on CBS News Miami with the CBS News app. Good evening. I'm Jim Barry.
And I'm Naja Sherman. Let's get right to former federal prosecutor David Weinstein. David, the Attorney General today announced that a motion was filed to unseal the search warrant. Why did they make such an unprecedented move?
Well, Naja, with all the talk that's been made about what was contained in the search warrant itself, what they were looking for, what crimes have been violated, the Attorney General wanted to level the playing field here, and he wanted all of America to see what it was he sought permission to search for, what crimes he was investigating, and what they expected to find at Mar-a-Lago.
Also, David, the Attorney General says he's releasing the property receipt from the search. I guess that means he's going to tell us what's in all those boxes. When can we expect to see that?
Well, the property receipt's going to be a generic description of what rooms the property was taken from and a generic description of what papers were in all of those boxes. We could expect to see that as early as 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The magistrate judge presiding over this case has issued an order requiring that the government talk with Trump's lawyers and find out whether or not he opposes the release of these documents. If he doesn't oppose the release of these documents, then somewhere around 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll see these documents ourselves.
Of course, David, as you know, this has been politicized already. Do you think that what Merrick Garland did today was an attempt to blunt that?
Absolutely. There has been a lot of pressure on both sides of the aisle questioning whether or not a search warrant was appropriate at this point in time, what it is they were looking for, what crimes they were looking for, and without the knowledge of exactly what it was they were given permission to look for, everyone just speculates. So I think it was important for the Attorney General to, again, level the playing field and just show everyone what he was looking for and what he took out so far.
David, thank you so much for being with us and sharing your insight this evening.
You're welcome.